All right, welcome to Lab 9, the turbine lab. This is a fully functional gas turbine. This is not a model. Some people call it a model. It's fully functional, single stage Brayton cycle. You have one compressor going through the burners into one turbine. We have a cross section here. Basically one moving part on this, the turbine and the compressor all in one shaft. We're going to get this started. I'll take you through the start procedure. I'll run it theoretically like you were doing your lab at 4 set RPM steady state, shut it down, and I'll go over some of the interface on the laptop. Now the key thing is bring a USB with you, and ear protection. I will supply the ear protection, either the muffs or I will wear the little foam ones, and safety glasses. This thing is really loud. Ear protection is a must. Alright, I'm going to go through the start procedure that I put down on this board here. It's very simple, much more simple than the auto cycle. Of all the buttons and gauges, the only thing you really have to worry about are the key, start button, stop button. Green is start, red is stop. First thing you're going to do is make sure your laptop is on, your USB is connected. Take the throttle all the way back towards you, turn the master switch on. Verify that the LCD screen says ready. Run the throttle all the way forward. You get a warning throttle position. It won't let you start there. This also ensures that you get full throttle operation. Once you've done that, the LCD says ready, and you're ready to start. We'll start the engine. I'll run it through 4 RPMs and then stop it. To stop this, once it's running, all you do is hold the stop button. You'll hear everything kick off. Let the RPMs come all the way down, and that's it. So we'll go ahead and start this engine and take some data. Okay, going right off the instruction sheet, first thing we're going to do is turn the key on. Watch our LCD displays come up, make sure they have numbers. Then we're going to go right on to running the throttle all the way forward. Throttle position, that's good. Come all the way back. Ready appears. We're ready to start. All we have to do now is push and hold the green button. Hold it in until you hear the fuel ignite. It'll be pretty obvious when it actually starts, and then we'll just let go. And then I'm going to run it up through 4 different RPM settings, steady state for a few seconds. I'll come all the way back. We'll hit the red button to stop it, and that's it. Alright, to start this, again, it's eyes and ears, safety protection, turn the key on. Run the throttle all the way up. Read the LCD, throttle back. It says we're ready, all our lights are on. All we have to do is hit the green button, wait for it to start. And at some point you'll see the fuel gauge will kick on. It'll enter fuel into the chamber, it'll spark. It'll definitely be an event. You can see the flame coming out the back. All you have to do is let go and that engine is running. And what we do now, we're just looking at some gauges. The RPM is probably about 38,000. I'm going to run it up at 4 different levels, just like you will in the lab. Quarter of the way up, that's my second actually. Third stop, and then I go to my 4th stop. In actuality, you run each one about a minute, get it to steady state. The data all gets downloaded into Excel. Pull the lever all the way back, wait for the RPMs to steady out, about 38,000, and just hit the stop button and it'll spool down.